being slow boot, late startup. So how to fix these problems? So firstly, open Windows Defender and scan virus and malware. Then click to virus and threat protections and click to scan options. So you can scan full scan and then click to scan now. Okay, this is first method. And second method is click to start button, type task manager, click to task manager, click to more, and unwanted application you can disable. You just right click in task. Okay, you install the VPN, so don't this time is if you this time is not want, so right click and disable and task. Okay, then close it, and then guys update your display driver. So how to update? Click to file explorer and right click to this PC, more options, manage, and then click to driver manager. Display driver you actually download from Google, otherwise you just click to update and update automatically. Okay, then close it. And very important command is Windows R ms config and then enter. Okay, click to boot, sorry, service, check all Microsoft service and okay, then close. And then guys, last thing is you proper update. Click to setting and Windows update, and then install. I getting this. Okay, pending and install, and then restart guys. Okay, bye bye, take care, have an issue please comment me, I will support you. Bye bye.